Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This range-topping Nissan Juke Tekna Plus looks beautiful here with the contrasting white paint and black roof and wing mirrors. Featuring stylish looks and a large front grille, it's definitely got the ultimate crossover look. Round the back, privacy glass and extended rear spoiler, as well as full front and rear LED taillights will give your car a distinctive look at night. The LED daytime running lights will also complement automatic LED headlights with high beam assist as well. Finishing off the look is also a pair of 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The boot space itself can easily accommodate a week's worth of shopping, and that's before you fold it down with seats in a 60/40 split, and there is even a hidden compartment underneath. Interior rear upholstery will feature seating for 3 with part leather upholstery and 2 Isofix chat anchor points. The overall cabin layout is incredibly nice and premium feeling, and the front sport seats will even feature Bose personal sound system with speakers around the headrests. Juke embossed seats are also on offer too. The multifunction steering wheel will control part digital instrument cluster, which is incredibly easy to use and features high definition graphics, trip information, speedometer, satellite navigation, as well as music and Bluetooth contacts, and the numerous driver assist functions on offer to keep you and your occupants safe at all times. These will include lane departure warning, blind spot, emergency city braking, and so much more, as you can see here on the screen. To help you park, front and rear sensors are available, as well as the floating touchscreen has got all your entertainment needs covered. Bluetooth telephony for your device will be available, as well as AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception. The menu itself is also very easy to operate, and the built-in sat-nav will ensure you never ever get lost. Additionally, Bluetooth audio and wireless media streaming will be on offer, and complementing those services is a 360-degree area view camera. That camera can also display visibility from the front and even side when parking up to the curb to avoid scratching those lovely alloys. Easy-to-use climate control system is also available. RAC extended warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.